What is the difference between a plutocracy and an oligarchy? Now, both words are kind of similar because they reference certain small groups of people who have power over a society, basically people in the government, but small numbers of people. But the difference is a plutocracy it represents wealthy people, like a few wealthy people who have all the power in the government. And a oligarchy, it just means a few people, not necessarily wealthy people, but just a few select group of people, a few select people in a group who have all the power. So, but you can really merge them together. A plutocratic oligarchy, it would be a few wealthy people who have all the power. So you can really, I mean, more or less they're the same thing, but just note that an oligarchy doesn't necessarily mean they have wealth. Usually they do, though, because money is power. But chances are they have wealth. But oligarchy means a few people have power. Plutocracy means that a few wealthy people have power. Usually more than a few, but a small group of people with wealth have power if it's a plutocracy. Oligarchy, a few people. Oligarchy is generic. A few people, period. Wealthy or not wealthy. So that's my best definition of it. It's somewhere along those lines. I'm not perfect in those definitions, but I get this question a lot. Difference between plutocracy and oligarchy. That's how I understand the difference. Maybe it's right, maybe it's not. I don't know. But it's close enough. So that's the important thing, right?